Here's another one. So a big bulge there. It's nasty, it's all gone in kinda. I can just get at it. And I got a special tool that will just get me the right angle to hit it. And the secret to this is heat. Something with the right angle to hit it. And that's it. Heat. And get it where right in the high spot. Let's see what happens. You only missed this bit. It's all pushed in nasty. It's just gone up. I got that out nicely by heating it. And a bit of the bulge came out. But it's tight here now. There's a little bulge there. So that's because this is all gone up. So we've got to heat this some way. See, that looks nice and tidy. See, not nasty. No holes, no nothing. Nice tidy job. Bit of primer on that, sorted. But in here, that's the problem. But I say I can get the small porta power in there and heat the shit out of it again, and it'll come out. If you don't heat it, it will rip. It just won't come out nice. So this is my plan. I got this in there. Got a piece of wood here. Then I got a piece of steel just right under this. Just all this needs to come out, and then that needs to go in. So, and then I'm gonna heat the shit out of it. All this is going in. Hopefully it comes out nice. Alrighty. Got this all out nice. Got my line nice and straight. This all out. This is all meant to be fucked in looking. So that's just the way it is. That's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. Tip the sealer. Top it up a little bit. Keep it as original as possible. Inside looks nice. Very nice. Now I gotta fix the bumper before I can line up the car to make sure it all lines up. But luckily it's not too bad. Ish. These other bumpers look nasty. You should just heat the shit out of it. Not too much. Just this area, and then around it, and then there. You do that for a bit, and then there's a special tool I'll show you. That. It's just the best for bumpers. It's like a screwdriver, but it's got a bend on the end, and it's curved. So it's not sharp, so say if you poke it into the bumper, it won't go through the bumper, it won't make a hole. So once you make a hole, oh god, there's a couple of hours just trying to rectify that hole, and you don't want that shit. So you know. So we'll just heat the shit out of this, all the areas, wherever it's stress is. That's it there. This bit here especially. Heat this for a little bit, and then I'll show you the tool. I'm going to push it down with this. Right, that's enough for now. Now I'll use a different tool. to push out the high spots. This is my tool I use for these plastic bumpers. Only this. See the way it's rounded? So when I'm heating up the bumper, it doesn't, like say if I was using a screwdriver, it goes straight through it. And then say if I got a high spot, I can rub it down. It's nice and oval. This is the only tool I use for bumpers. Nice line there. That's just sitting there. Nice line there. Wee bit tight, but we can sort that out. Yeah. No filler on the bumper. Just gotta sand that down a little bit. It's gonna be fuck all filler here. I got that big bulge out, but I hammered it down a little bit. I'll just I don't even think I'll body file it. Because I don't want to take the edge primer off the car, so I'll just leave it. Yeah. I'm happy with that. It's a nice job. I didn't have to rip the shit out of it. Nice lines there. Cool. Yeah, there's that one done. Don't fuck around in here. Yeah. I only started repairing this yesterday. Yeah. It's all done. Cool, eh? Yeah, mint.